The pure original rumba. Let's see that together.
C'est quand nous aimons les uns les autres que nous verrons la gloire de Dieu.
Hello the family, welcome back to my channel. Isaac Sariel again to serve you, just to show you some tips to sound more like the original Congolese rumba. How we can use the sixth intervals to sound like a pure African guitarist from the original Congolese rumba influence. So here is it, just play this kind of fixed intervals. I'm playing in the key of D today. We're playing the key of D just to change a little bit. Again, you can practice this same melody. You can practice it. I'm going to show you also like a short solo you can also do on this kind of progression. And I suggest you practice this on top of the backing track. Definitely very important. Let's do this together. And we're in the key of D. Okay. As you know, the fixed intervals are a combination of two notes played together, but with a gap of fixed intervals. Rather than just learning them theoretically, you need to learn them on the position, the different shapes. It's more important. It's much more intuitive. Now it's better for you to learn the shapes. So here are the different shapes. So from the key of D, here's the D major. So you can go like, okay, you go like, okay, you start like this. Let's go. See how I double pick them? Yeah, double pick them. So let's do it again. Start here. Okay, well, here's the melody. You can go like then you finish with the fourth degree, which is the G major on the key of D. Like this is not fixed interval. This is kind of fifth intervals. Okay. Right. So this is fifth intervals. For this combination is a fifth intervals. Right. So I kind of play just the fifth, then sixth, and sixth again. You know. So I anticipate playing like the shorter, the triad form and the inverted triad form of this A major, just to anticipate. Okay, it's kind of anticipating before sliding down to the G. the G major, and then you carry on. Okay, let's do it again. Fifth, six again, right? Fifth, six, six again, and six again, right? Six and fifth, right? Six and fifth. Let's do it again. Variation. Just a variation. Okay, so I may be playing pretty fast. You may find it pretty fast, but actually it's not, as long as you know the pattern or the diagram of the fixed intervals in the key of D. So I also give you diagram of the fixed intervals in the key of C. If you don't have it yet, you can have it for free. You will receive it on your email address if you subscribe to the newsletter. So you just have to move it up a whole step up from the key of C to get to the key of D. So here is just the pattern quickly. Just need to learn all these diagrams. So this, two, and that's all. All that you need to know is, so we're in the key of D here. Like this is like a reference, your position, you know, to never get lost. And so you start with this one, this combination there. Then let's say that this is the A major, but you just play the shortcut and use the fixed intervals. This is like the G major, but you just play the shortcut using the fixed intervals. This is like the F sharp minor, but you just use this, okay? And you carry on like this. And this is like the E minor, which is the second degree, but you just play this shape here. You see that it's still the same. And you finish here. And sometime optional, like it's an option, you can go. Okay, that's an option for you to play this shape. Rather want to slide it up from like this one. You know, just like if you want to slide to get this flavor from the slide. Okay, so when you understand those fixed intervals, you can use them as you want. And you can also solo with some fixed interval like this. And you're gonna have to start a little bit higher, a little bit higher, so the higher pitch, like. Okay, let me show you that very quickly. So, still the diagram of the fixed intervals, but this time you need to play them a little bit higher. So this is the E, okay? The D, I mean, this is the D major, so you play like D shape, man. Okay. Now that you know the pattern and the diagram, you can play whatever comes to your inspiration or as an inspiration. It's up to you. Anyway, it's just to give you another a slight taste of this original Congolese Rumba stuff, So yeah, it's good to practice this. Good luck. See you soon, fam.
C'est en nous aimant les uns les autres que nous verrons la gloire de Dieu.